Hey, everyone, check it out. This external defibrillator processing service is definitely an excellent choice for your sampling and production. Industrial-grade plastic. Wear resistant and corrosion resistant. CNC machining center equipment. Multiple processes. Whether it's single-piece sampling or small batch production, we can provide professional-grade solutions. 0.05毫米 tolerance. Product detail design. The professional team oversees the entire process. One-stop supporting service. Medical equipment enclosures, precision parts, rehabilitation equipment prototypes. Medical-grade quality assurance. Rapid response. And priority production scheduling for urgent orders. Click to enter the store for detailed parameters.